Rhubarb leaves are toxic, but they are perfect for making concrete stepping stones. I made some curved ones to create this beautiful downspout, and I'm going to show you how. Make a pile with soil or sand, something smooth, and then place a garbage bag or piece of plastic over top of it. This is going to create the rounded shape of the leaf. Place your rhubarb leaf on top of that, and you want it upside down with the veins up. And then you're going to mix your concrete. I just used a bag of ready mix. It's a mixture of cement and gravel, and then you can just add water according to the directions on the back. You can use cement and your own gravel to make it, but I just find the pre-mixed bags are easier to use. You want it to be a peanut butter-like consistency. Before I placed it on top of the leaf, I tried something new this time, and I added vegetable oil to the leaf and spread it around. I added a little bit more here, but I could have added even a little bit more, and this is just to help the leaf from sticking. Then I covered the leaf in concrete about 1 inch thick. I had some small pieces of wire mesh and I placed them on top, and then I'm going to add about another inch or 3/4 of an inch of concrete, and the wire mesh just gives it extra strength. I used a scrap piece of wood here just to tamper the bottom down and smooth everything out. And if you want to add your initials or some sort of writing, this is the time to do that. This is the bottom of the concrete rhubarb leaf. Then you're going to lift the plastic bag up and push the soil, or if you're doing this in sand, push the sand up. And this is essentially making the form and the shape. And then this is how it's going to dry. You're going to want to let it dry overnight. And then the next day, flip it over so the leaf side is up. It's ideal when it's a hot sunny day because the sun will just shrivel up the rhubarb leaf and it will come off easily. I don't recommend spraying with a hose because you will wear through the concrete as it isn't fully set yet. Believe me, I've tried. I did find that the ones where we used more canola oil, the leaf came off a lot easier. So you can go ahead and peel that off and then just leave the rest in the sun. You can see here, it just shrivels up and dries right up, and then it comes off much easier. I made 3 with the rounded shape and 3 different sizes, and you can see I placed them here to make this beautiful downspout for our rainwater going through the gutters. You could also just make them flat for stepping stones. I have a video on that too. And now's your chance to hit that subscribe button if you like DIYs like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.